Welcome to my 100 Text Effects series. Episode 8. In this video, I am going to show you a very simple method to create this twirl text effect in Photoshop and design a very cool sweater based on the same method. First, use the ellipse tool and make a circle. Then, use the type tool and mouse over on the circle line and click. Be careful not inside the circle, but on the circle line. You will be able to see a small wave line appears under your type tool. Then, type some text along the lines of this circle. Remember to change the type size until you get a full circle with text. After that, you should go to the Layers panel and rasterize the type. Next, you can hold the Option or Alt key and click the circle layer to create a selection, because this circle is exactly the one your text lay on. This selection will not cover any of the text. What you should do is go to the top menu and find Select, Modify, and Expand. You can expand your selection like 20 pixels to just cover the lower part of your text. Then let's start to make the twirl effect. First, you can go to the top menu, Filter, Distort, and Pinch, because you only select a small part of the text. So in the Pinch panel, you should absolutely slide the amount slider to the most right for max. Even by the max pinch, the result is still tiny. You can go to the top menu and Filter, click the pinch at the top again and again, or use the shortcut. Still, you will need to repeat this filter like 10 to 15 times to get a result. After that, with the same selection. Go to the top menu, find Filter, Distort, then Twirl. Dragging around the angle slider, you will get your sweet point for this text twirl effect. If you want a little bit more details of texture, you can always try some gradient and some dissolve. That shouldn't be a big problem. The cool thing is, when I am editing this video, I just realized this twirl thing should be a great pattern for t-shirt or sweater design. And it would be cooler if I try 2 layers of this twirl effect. One uses a flower image, and put another text layer with the same twirl look. Looking good. It might be more appropriate if this pattern is on the backside. If you like, I put this source PSD file in the description for you to have a try. Let me know if you need any more details about this. I'll be glad to help. This is one of my 100 text effects series. 99 more videos and free PSD files are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll keep creating.